If you do not want to apply like makeup, you don't want any of that on your face, because I know makeup, leaving it all day and then you don't clean it properly well with your cleanser and all of that, do your skincare night routine, you're going to have Hey guys, good morning. How are you all doing? I hope you're doing well. So today is first Sunday of the month, 1st November 2020. Yeah, so I'm not planning on doing makeup. You know, it's like I'm loving my skin. So I decided to do a no makeup look for you guys today. I'm going to put on my lashes as usual. I just hope my mom doesn't tell me, Joy, just pull it off. Though she loves it because she tried it on her. She said it doesn't look like she's putting on any heavy thing on her eye or stuff like that. So when she came to my room, she was like, "Are you carrying this hair like this to church?" And I was like, "No, mommy, I'm not. This is just the way I was back so that I can like lay my edges." Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, comment if you love this look, if you love this my Sunday look, and subscribe. Let's get right into it. So you guys know I'm trying this new product, this Ivy's skincare product. Okay, I'm trying it out because I want to change my cream, and I've been using it for like 2 days straight now. This is like, yeah, this is the second day. So just apply it on my face, my hand, my legs, like all over my body, and you guys can see like my skin is glowing. Even my mom can testify. She said the skin is glowing, I'm shining. So I'm going to apply this all over my body and I'll be right back. I'm not going in with foundation, nothing, just my bare skin, and you guys will see what's up. You guys know Ivy skincare products, they are organic, okay? He made them himself. So if I love the result of how my skin is, I'm going to order more, and I'll show you guys my updated skincare routine after using it for like a couple of weeks. Then I'm loving my skin. So be sure to follow me on Instagram. It will be on the screen. Follow me so we can be connected, even if I'm not on YouTube. You know every other path, like you know other things. So for my eyebrows, I'm thinking of trimming it a bit, but I think I love it this way. I have a little bit of excess, but I'm just going to go in like this. If you do not want to apply like makeup, you don't want any of that on your face, because I know makeup, leaving it all day and then you don't clean it properly well with your cleanser and all of that, do your skincare night routine, you're going to have reactions. And if that product is fake, you're going to have reactions. So if you want to do a no makeup, make sure your skin is glow, make sure your skin is alright, you do not have dark stuff, you do not have pimple. Not that it will be perfect, like my skin is not that perfect. No, it's not perfect. It's not. But you get what I'm saying, okay? Just be sure that your skin is okay, smooth, flawless, and then you can do that. But if you have all this kind of stuff, I need to leave, but I don't know how to explain it to you guys. I don't. So I'm going to the excess here. Let's see. I'm going to do one side, then I'll do the other side off camera. I'm using Access razor. It's very sharp. I'm going to do this other side and I'll be right back. So yeah, it is, guys. You can see, very simple. I don't take them all off. I just want my eyebrows to look simple and fuller. So next thing I'm going to do, since I've gone with my skincare, like my product, like my cream, I'm done my eyebrows. Let's touch this lip. Okay? You guys know I love glossy lips. I'm going to do my absolutely glossy, and I'll be right back. The reason why I love glossy lips is because it moisturizes my lip. I want my skin to glow, so I'm going to go in coconut oil, pure coconut oil, and just apply it to the areas I want. So this will be my bronzer or highlight for my face. You know, coconut oil is very good. At some point, I was using coconut oil as a cream for like, let's say 2 months or thereabout, and it was just good. It was so good. So coconut oil is very good. Good for dark skin, black beauties, brown skin girls, light skin girls. Babe, it's awesome, okay? It's really good. It's good for your skin. Then the little I'm going to apply it on the rest of my body. Apply it on the rest of my body, my hands, and all of that. You can see, you can see it's popping, like it's popping. You can see, even without makeup, your girl is still slaying, like she is still slaying. So for the lashes, you're going to go in your lashes. I'm going to pick another style. Let me see the style I'm going to pick, and I'll be right back. I'm going to this style. You can see how scanty it is. They're all 25 to 30 millimeters long. So right now I do not have short lashes, but I'll be getting that soon. Very soon. So guys, these are the lashes, and you can see how it looks. So I'm done with my makeup. Now it's time for me to go dress up, switch it up a notch. I'm just going in simple, okay? I'm just going simple so we can now go to church. I'll be right back when I've changed my clothes. So guys, this is it. Then my hair just I know the other title was okay, but you have to look. I'm going in with this handbag today. Very small. I'm going to put on black face mask today. For scents, I'm just going in. I just have a new foundation of Pef, so I'm just going to spray that and I'm good to go. This is it, guys. Dry. It's so nice. Save this. So guys, that's the end of my video. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll definitely see you guys in the next one. Say hello.